there, nature lovers!
Did you know there's a tree that dates back to the time of dinosaurs, yet was only discovered in 1994?
That's right, the Wollemi Pine!
Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of pine trees. From the tallest giants touching the sky to some cool facts that will make you see these trees in a whole new light. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to spot a pine tree from a mile away and understand why these towering beauties are so important. Let's get started. Tallest pine trees in the world. First up, let's talk about the tallest pine trees in the world. These trees are the skyscrapers of the natural world. The tallest pine tree in the world, standing at a breathtaking 268 feet tall. The sugar pine in Oregon holds the title. That's like stacking nearly 27 stories on top of each other. Second tallest pine tree, the Douglas fir, reaching up to 242 feet, isn't far behind. Found in British Columbia, this tree is a real showstopper. Third tallest pine tree, the ponderosa pine, coming in at 232 feet, is another giant, mostly found in the western United States. These trees aren't just tall, they're a symbol of nature's incredible power and beauty. Interesting facts about pine trees. Now let's dig into some cool facts about pine trees that might surprise you. Do you know pine trees are among the tallest trees in the world? These towering giants are found all across the globe. Pine trees thrive in temperate and boreal regions, which means they're tough enough to handle cold and snowy winters. And here's something interesting, pine trees are not just beautiful, they're incredibly useful too. Source of timber, lumber, and even fuel. How to identify pine trees. Ever wonder how to tell if a tree is a pine tree? It's easier than you think. Needle-like leaves, unlike other trees, pine trees have needle-like leaves that grow in clusters. Cluster can tell you which type of pine tree it is. Cones pine trees produce cones, which are their way of spreading seeds. These cones can vary in size, but they're a sure sign you're looking at a pine.
The bark of pine trees is often thick and scaly, giving it a rugged, protective look.
Color and texture can also help identify the species. Where to find pine trees. So, where can you find these magnificent trees? Pine trees are widespread, growing in almost all temperate and boreal regions around the world. You'll find them in a variety of landscapes, mountains, forests, and even grasslands. And don't be surprised to see them in both urban and rural areas, as they adapt well to different environments. Benefits of pine trees. Finally, let's talk about why pine trees are so important. Oxygen providers, pine trees are natural oxygen factories. They play a crucial role in keeping the air clean and breathable. Wildlife habitat, these trees provide food and shelter for a variety of animals, from birds to squirrels. They're like a high-rise apartment for wildlife. Resource-rich pine trees are incredibly valuable. They're used for timber, lumber, and even fuel, making them essential to both nature and industry. So, the next time you see a pine tree, you'll know just how special it is, from its towering height to its many benefits for our planet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of pine trees, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nature-filled content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.